outside the Philippines. Dati, ang CLC ay tinawag na sending missionary noong mga 1940s to 1950s. Yan. Dahil nagsisend tayo ng mga missionary. Now, ngayon ay hindi nyo na kailangang umalis sa bahay ninyo where you are just to share the gospel to a person on the other side of the globe. Okay? Dahil ngayon ay madali na tayong mag-share. Kaya napaka-importante, we have to be prepared to share because everybody is now accessible in any time and in any place dahil meron tayong connection. Okay? Engagement, provide diverse forms of contents. No? Now, tinatawagan tayo actually, every member, na tayo ay mag-share ng ating testimony. Kasi hindi lahat tayo pare-pareho ng testimony. Hindi tayo pare-pareho ng kwento. Hindi tayo pare-pareho kung paano tinawagan. And there are times na other persons are more interested doon sa isang kwento ng tao kaysa dun sa kabilang kwento. So, we have to be prepared to share our story of conversion to others. Okay? Evangelism. Utilize this platform for evangelism. Now ngayon ay napakadali na mag-share. Katulad ng pag meron kayong narinig, katatapos lang po nung ating tayong pag-asa, no? At pwede natin i-share yung tayong pag-asa. But one thing that I need to remind you, okay? Before you share something, before you share a quotation, before you share a text, or before you share a story, you should know what they really mean and what is the message. Mahirap naman na may nakita lang kayong quotation, ay, quotation, galing kay ganito, share, ang dami pinag-sharean. Okay? Tapos yung pinag-sharean niya yung responsibility of the Holy Spirit to keep them inside the church, to keep them active for Christ, and for them to be sharing the gospel if they have already Christ in their lives. So, parang hindi na ito media ministry program. This is returning members to Christ program. Ito naman ang pinaka-basic. At yung mga ginagawa nating mga seminar na ito, susunod na lang ito. Dahil sa kailangan natin yung content. And the content should always be Jesus Christ. So I hope, no, sa ating pong pag-share, sa ating pagbibigay ng message sa mga tao sa paligid natin, our relationship with Christ will come out. It will be heard from the words. It will be seen from our designs. And it will reflect in everything that we post in our social media.